By the waters of Babylon, we sat the whole night long and sang the saddest songs. Through our tears we saw visions of future redemption, when all will be as one. And she cries in the night, our holy Jerusalem, as the children are taken one by one. In lands that were not our own, we've tried to make a home, though with tears our seeds are sown. So how can we still believe that this time they will make us leave, and things are as good as they seem? And she prays and stands and waits, our holy Mount Zion, for her children to come home one by one. And holding on to faith and hope in a new day, we've been able to keep our way. When the new moon comes to shine, sight will be given to the blind, and all the answers we shall find. But until that day comes, our holy Jerusalem will be there to join us in our tears.